Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. I hope you all must be enjoying the long weekend and it's a time to do our analysis because tomorrow is the Monday and market is opening after 3 days of long weekend. So let's go ahead and do our analysis on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and three precious commodities gold, silver and crude oil. Before we go ahead, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subs subscribe to this channel, hit the notification icon and share it with your friends and family members so they will also get benefit out of it. So let's go ahead and open the trading view app. So here we have done the drawing of Nasdaq 100. You can see here, as market has a holiday on the Friday, the Thursday's closing was not good. The Nasdaq 100 was down by 2.24%. Okay, and a significant sale volume. And if you see here, this blue line is, we will use it for the trend line support. Okay, so Nasdaq 100 has the trend line support around here. Second, third was kind of nearby it, and then fourth and the fifth. These were the support lines on the trend line it has. And now you can see the currently it is resting at 13,895. So if you see here, uh, currently it is exactly resting on the support area of 14,000 to 13,900. Okay, this 100 points is a good support area it is having at this point of time. If you see here, if I draw uh, the horizontal line. Okay, so this is the support area. This support area is coming around 150 points, 14,050 to 13,900 is a support area which I can see right now. Now we need to understand how it opens on the Monday. Okay, if it starts trading below 13,900, okay, then high probability that it will come to 13,600 is the first level. Okay, 13,600 will be the first level and the second level will be 13,200 and the next level will be 13,000. Okay, so this red line is marked as the next support area and the second support area is 12,270. Okay, so we really need to understand or watch on Monday how market opens. If it starts trading below 13,900, then it is going to show us 13,600 as the first uh, down level and then 13,200 and 13,000. Okay, now you can see here this trend line support is resting here, then high probability that after coming to this point, market might reverse from here and starts going up, and then it can go up from here and then it can break this trend line resistance and then market give a sharp pullback. Okay, this is the first scenario. The second scenario is that from Monday itself, if market takes a U-turn from here and starts trading above 14,050, okay, 14,050, if it starts trading above 14,050 and start creating candle like this, then the first immediate resistance or target it will show as 14,400. And on any day, if it starts, if it get closed with this kind of candle, okay, by uh, you know means breaking the trend line resistance, then it can go towards 15,170. So today we have drawn two support and two resistance, so we need to understand the first, the two supports are 13,000 and 12,270, and the two short-term resistance are 14,400 and 15,170. Next index we will talk about is uh, SA, Dow Jones. But before that, I want to see the weekly and monthly closing for this chart. Okay, So let's go and select the weekly here, because we need to see the medium term and long term view also. Okay, let's zoom it. You can see here it has created a kind of red candle. Okay, you can see it's down by 3%, and you can see the closing and the low both are near. The low is 13,878 and closing is 13,895, means uh, it closed at the lowest point of the week. Okay, which is not a good sign, but we really need to see how it works on Monday. And as I said, if it starts trading below 13,900, then the targets which I have mentioned, they will be intact. If we see the monthly chart, you can see the previous 2 months it created the kind of uh, hammer candles where they have the very big weak, okay, lower shadow. Okay, so this big lower shadow, they represented that uh, bottom buying has happened. Okay, and in on any month, if on any month, if this index close above 14,400, okay, then there will be a big upside in the market from there. Like if it creates this kind of green candle like this, okay, then from that month, market is going to reverse. Okay, and monthly, in the monthly candle, it shows that 13,000 is the biggest support this index currently has. So if by any chance, if this index comes near 13,000, then there is a good chance to put your money in the quality stocks, either they are semiconductor stocks or good IT companies, or all, or any stock which is the part of Nasdaq 100. So this is a very important line, 13,000. Okay, so this is all about Nasdaq 100. Let's talk about Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, let's open the day chart first. uh, let's make chart clear here. Okay, so here you can see right now this is a trend line support. Okay, so many times the index came near this trend line support area, first, second, third, no, fourth, fifth, and then all these are the lower, these are the uh, big wicks. Okay, means lot of volatility was there on these days. Okay, and then it break down, and then it went down here, and then again came up. Okay, took support here, right? And now currently it is trading in between. So as per my view, you know unless it is starts trading below 33,800, okay, the bias might be indecisive. Okay, if it starts trading below 33,800, then it might go to 33,080. Okay, this is the first support I will say. Now, when this index will show the strength, once it starts trading above 34,850 to 34,900 range, then it will be going to show us almost 500 points rally, 34,000, 35,500. This will be the first resistance we will say. And on trading and closing above that, it will open the next route for 36,000. So now this is very important. We need to watch, either it breaks 33,800, then more downside. If it breaks 34,900, then more upside. So these are the two levels we really need to watch on the closing basis. Okay, and if on Monday, if it opens positive and it starts going up, then it is immediately it will go first target, it will show of 34,900. Okay, if it starts red and go down, then it will immediately show us 33,800. So let's see the weekly and monthly chart for the same. So weekly chart you see here, let's zoom it. See, if you see on the weekly basis, it's a kind of consolidation going on, right? After, giving this, big upside, okay? After giving this big upside, okay? Now the index is consolidating like this. You can see here, it's giving a consolidation, okay? The real upside it will give once it starts, trading and closing above 36,500, then it is going to show, stellar up move, okay? And the same way, if it starts going down, starts trading below 33,800, then it can go towards 33,000. And then if it stays below 33,000, then, there will be more, downside targets. But this is all about the levels. We need to see what levels are saying. This level will give us the market direction. Okay. And if we see this weekly candle, clear, by zooming, you can see here, last 3 weeks. Okay. Previous to last week, these 3 weeks were showing us giving us the doji candles. Okay, but the important point is this was the big green candle, then doji candle. Okay, and this last week candle is kind of spinning top. Okay, spinning top candle. So if any week, okay, if on any week this index close above 34,900, okay, then there will be a very big up move on this index. As I said, this will be the first short term target. And if this index close below 33,800, then definitely it is going to show us 33,000. Okay, now let's see the monthly chart. Monthly chart, same thing like Nasdaq 100. Okay, it has the two kind of these we will not say um, hammer candle, but these are kind of two spinning tops, and it shows the low of 32,000 on the monthly basis. This index has a support of 32,000. Okay, on the monthly basis. If it close below this 32,000 on any month, okay, then there will be more downside directions on this index. Okay, now let's talk about S&P 500. S&P 500 day chart, it's very clear. You can see here, this is a trend line support. Okay, right now it is almost at the edge of the first support. Okay, this is the first support is at 4380. Okay, if it starts trading below 4380, okay, and if it close below 4380, okay, um, it is going to show us 4320 and 4261 will be the these will be the two lower targets on the short term basis. Okay, now on Monday, if it close in the green, okay, and market go show upside, then the first target it is going to show us as 4465, and the second target is 4520, and the third target is 4582. These three levels on the upside and these two levels on the downside we need to monitor. So this was all about three major index. Based on the movement in the indexes, you can decide on your stocks, okay, or whatever holding you have, okay, with your due diligence. The next commodity we have is gold. I have observed one important thing in the gold. Okay, on the long term chart, okay, if you see here from September 2018, Okay, the gold gave a non-stop up move, okay, till 30 July 2020, and we will see how much up move it has given, and based on that we will see the further, you know, points in that. So you can see here, gold has given almost 65% upside, okay, from September 2018 to uh, August 2020. So let's see what was the date range. Okay, from here you can see, okay, almost in 674 days, okay, trading days, means almost 1.5 to 2 years, I think, right? October 2018 to August 2020, means almost 2 years. It gave the up move of 65%. Okay, and after that, gold consolidated from July 2020, October, August 2020 till now. Now this is Feb 2022, and then it has given a breakout. Okay, so gold has uh, unless and until, okay, gold is not trading below 1760, okay, 1760, okay, mark this range 1760. Unless and until gold doesn't close below 1760, okay, here, this is the 1760 range, like this, unless it doesn't trade below 1760, gold is holding the chance of appreciating almost 30 to 50% from here. Okay, 30 to 50% from here, so you can calculate how much it can show. Okay, I'm not going to give you the exact number, but you just see here, this is the long term prediction. Okay, long term prediction means almost from here you can consider in 2 to 3 years, gold can give us 30 to 50% up move. Okay, this is the long term chart or long term prediction. Okay, and now let's go and see what in the short term it is saying. If you see here in the short term, it is it has broken, it has broke a kind of wedge pattern, and it achieved the target of 1980. Okay, so right now if you see, gold has the immediate support of 1960 and 1940. Okay, and now the buying will happen in the gold. What is the good buying level for the gold is 1980. If it starts trading and sustaining above 1980, then the first target is 2000 and second target is 2030. We will just talk about the small targets because we are talking about short term. If it starts trading below 1960, then its immediate target is 1940, then 1920, and then 1900. If gold starts trading below 1900, okay, this 1900 level, then for the short term, gold will show more downside. Okay, and that downside might show us the level of uh, 1800 to 1760. Okay, which we talked about. So these were the levels for the gold. Let's talk about the silver. And before that, let's see the weekly and monthly chart. Weekly chart, this it has a very good green candle, but it's not a Marubozu candle. It's a normal green candle. And this green candle is like from last 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 consecutive weeks, uh, gold closed above the average of all 4 weeks. Okay, and if we see the monthly chart is gold is near almost the all-time high month. Okay, gold has the all-time high month was here, uh 1978. Okay, 1978 is gold's all-time monthly high, and right now we have 12 days remaining for this month to cover, and currently gold is trading at 1974. If gold managed to close above $2000, okay, if it managed to close about $2,000 in any month, then whatever target I mentioned, like almost 30 to 50%, actually it is showing 65%, but we will talk about 30 to 50% in next 2 to 3 years. Okay, and I think the same will be for the silver, but let's go ahead and see the silver here. Silver was trading in this channel. Okay, now it has given the breakout on this channel. Okay, so high probability that silver can show $26 and 26.5 on shorter time frame. Okay, if silver it doesn't sustain above this 25.70 and starts trading below it and sustains, then it can show the target of 25 and 24.50. These are the short-term targets we are talking about. But silver is also showing a a good strength. Okay, uh, because if you see here, uh, just a moment, yeah, silver is trading in this range, from last from 2000 August 2020 till this date, silver is trading in this zone, right? Okay. So on a shorter time frame, if it stays above $26, then it can go back to the all-time high of $28, which I can see here. So let's go ahead and see the weekly chart of the silver. Okay, weekly chart. The weekly candle is kind of you know a good green candle, and if we see the monthly, okay, monthly is not that good, but it's okay. uh See, all-time high is at $28. Okay, whenever it will break and close above this all-time high of $28, then it is going to give us the staggering up move. And let me try and see. Yeah, so this is also kind of a wedge pattern. Okay, it says that it shows us that the day it will close about $27. Okay, $27, when it the day it will close about $27, then silver has a very good target of almost, let me tell you, 35% upside, or we can say $6 to $7 upside from here. And that is also a 2 to 3 years horizon, means from $27 it will go to uh, let's, you can say, $33 to $35. Okay, so this was analysis of silver in detail, and we will talk about the last commodity, which is crude oil. Crude oil has given a sharp up move, on 3 consecutive sessions, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, 6%, 3%, 6.6%, 3.6%, and 2.5%. So this is like 6 and 3, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13% upside within 3 days. Okay, and right now it looks so bullish to me. Okay, um, first immediate target it is showing around 107.5, and then the second target it is showing of 110. Okay, and the next target it is showing around 150. Okay, uh, the crude oil has the first support at $100. Okay, if it starts trading and closing below $100, then it will show the $95, and then 93.50, and after that it has the support of $90. But right now it looks bullish. On any day, if it give a pull back, or sorry, pull down, okay, and come near 102 to $100, then it's a good price to accumulate from there, and then it can give a upside from here. So my friends, did you notice that all these three commodities, gold, silver, and crude oil, are showing strength on the chart? And on the contrary, these three major indexes, they are showing weakness. Okay, so history says that when the gold, silver, and crude oil, these precious commodities goes up, okay, uh, stock market goes down. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I hope you guys learned something today out of this detail analysis. I'm sorry this video might have gone big, but this was very important to understand the chart pattern of all these indexes on day, week, and monthly time frame. Okay. uh, so I hope this will help you guys to take your decisions on your positions, and do subscribe to this channel, like this video, put your comments. If you want me to analyze any stock or any index in particular for you guys, just put your comment here, and then I will make sure that I will do the analysis in detail and share it with you all. Okay, and last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.